In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this Samsung. You need to start by opening settings, scrolling down and choosing biometrics and security. Then click on face recognition, enter your current screen lock and tap on continue. Then remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of those instructions. Now you can enable or disable stay on lock screen until swipe feature by tapping on this switcher here, and when you're ready, select done. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. If you wish to adjust some of its settings, you can do that by going into the same face recognition section, tapping on face recognition, enter your current screen lock, and tapping on all of those switchers next to all of those features. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!